Hi there. We know you can't wait to receive your new glasses, so we make sure every order moves at full speed. How? It starts with our smart warehouse system. The moment you place your order, we takes over, locating your frames with precision and routing them straight to packing. No delays. At Vooglam, we're constantly improving every detail, including our packaging. Each order comes with microfiber cleaning cloth, coupons, PD ruler and glasses pouch, everything you need in one secure package. Our newly upgraded boxes combine sleek design with enhanced durability, providing the ultimate protection for your precious glasses during transit. Here's how we prepare your order. First, your glasses are carefully placed in the protective pouch. Then, we arrange all components in the box with precision, ensuring each item stays in place during transit. Finally, the package is ready for its journey to you. Once your order is packed and shipped, you can easily track it online. Just head to our website, enter your order number, and you will see exactly where your package is. Within 1 hour, your order is processed and sent to the packing area. In just 2 hours, your product is carefully packed and ready to go. And within 24 hours, it's on its way to you. Fast, smooth, and no fuss. At Vooglam, we write all about making your shopping experience quick and easy. We are here to make sure you love every step of the way.